My name is Oyindamola and this is the Yoruba Chick channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 7 ways to make passive income in Nigeria. Basically, I'm going to be telling you how you can make money even while you're sleeping. I'll be giving 7 tips on how to make passive income, and at the end of this video, I'll also be dropping a secret sauce or a secret recipe. Make sure you stay to the end of this video so you don't miss out on this important piece of advice. Before we go on, I would like to define passive income. What is passive income? Basically, passive income is anything that makes you money, which requires little or no effort to maintain. Some important things to note about passive income. Passive income can be regular income from an alternate source, excluding your 9 to 5. Passive income usually requires a huge amount of initial effort or investment before you can start making regular income. And one thing that passive income is not is a side hustle or a side job. A lot of people confuse side hustles with passive income. However, they're not the same. Side jobs or side hustles usually require a particular amount of effort to keep maintaining it. You need to keep doing stuff for particular clients in order to keep income coming in. But with passive income, you literally have to do nothing or just a little effort to expect income coming in regularly. So let's jump right into the different sources of passive income you can make in Nigeria. There are many ways to set yourself up to start making passive income in Nigeria, but these are the ones I would personally recommend. Some of these recommendations are particularly geared towards making passive income myself, so I know they will be helpful to you. The first idea I'll be giving is selling information products. What are information products? Basically, this is any sort of information or skill sets that you have put in form of a guide, a book, an ebook, or a course. What this entails is that you can write a book, a guide, or a course on things that you know or things that you are skilled at. Whether you're a photographer, a content writer, a social media manager, or whatever field you belong to, or whatever skills you have. People want to learn skills, people want to know about these things. And you can write a book on any of these topics or a guide, and you can upload them to Udemy, Skillshare, Couple Course, or Seller. The beauty of this is you don't even necessarily need to know how to write. You can also hire a ghostwriter to write a book for you on the knowledge or your preferred area of specialty. We know that not many people are good writers, but that's why we have ghostwriters. They'll write it for you and you pay them their fee, and you can go ahead and upload your ebook on whatever platform you choose to. The second point I'm going to be discussing is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a sort of marketing scheme where you get to market other people's product, and at the end of the day, they reward you, give you a discount, give you a particular amount or fee for bringing a customer to purchase their product or use their service. There are many examples of affiliate marketing that you can use. Let's say in the financial industry, some examples of affiliate marketing is Risevest or Risevest. Some of these platforms, they give you 1,000 naira for inviting a customer to download their app or get on their platform. For Risevest, it goes beyond just downloading their app. You get a 3% commission each time someone invests a particular amount using your code. So you can make money just from telling people about this wonderful product. For affiliate marketing, I would advise you pick a niche before you get started. So if you are good at if you're interested in medicine or finance or health or fitness, just pick the niche that you feel you are going to gain more credibility in. Start developing an audience in that area, start marketing your products to them, and before you know it, they will start signing up to your code, or people will know you that, okay, you are specialized in that area. For affiliate marketing, I'll advise that you just don't spam people with your code every day. Go and download this, go and do that, go and do that. People are not going to listen to you. The best way to get people to sign up or to use your code for affiliate marketing or to use your link is by providing value to them. How can you provide value to them? Ensure your page or your account or wherever you're going to be marketing from, it could be from your website, it could be from your Instagram, it could be from your WhatsApp status. Ensure that on those platforms, you regularly provide value to people in that selected niche. For instance, let's say you are a financial person. Ensure you give financial tips regularly. If you're a fitness person, ensure you give free exercises, free tips on how to keep fit. By doing that, you show that you're not just there to make money from people by telling them to click your link. You're also providing value. So when you tell them to click the link, they'll be more willing to do that because you've already provided them value. The third point I'm going to be discussing is flipping retail products. One thing you're not going to hear often in Nigeria is flipping retail products. Flipping basically means you buy an item, you refurbish it or you repackage it, and then you sell it at a higher price, making a profit. How can you flip in Nigeria? First thing is to study the market that you're interested in. Are you interested in clothing? Are you interested in appliances? Are you interested in electronics? Find out where you can get materials at a cheap or good price. I know many warehouses in Ladipo in Lagos where you can go and pick up some imported items at a lower price. You can refurbish or make these items better. There are online marketplaces that let you buy and sell, such as Gigi and such as Facebook Marketplace. You can use these platforms to market your products and flip them. While flipping retail products, I'll advise that you sometimes invest in refurbishing them first, so you can get the most value from your money. For instance, if you're a tailor and you are trying to flip thrifted items or thrifted outfits, I would advise that maybe you ensure that there are no tears or no missing buttons or things or stuff like that. Ensure you refurbish it. You can even add your own twist to it. Include a new design, patch it up with another kind of outfit, and make it a unique one of a kind outfit that no one even has access to. That way you can communicate value to your clients and they want to buy it because it's one of a kind. Stocks are another great way to make passive income in Nigeria. If you're interested in short-term profits, I recommend dividend stocks in the Nigerian stock market or ETF. These give you periodic interest on your investment while growing your initial capital. The best apps to do this on right now in Nigeria are Trove and Bamboo. Personally, I prefer to invest in foreign stocks. The best app to do that right now in Nigeria is Risevest. The beauty of the Risevest app is that apart from investing in foreign stocks, you can also invest in foreign real estate, and you can also save in dollars, which saves you from fluctuations in the value of the naira and also increases your initial investment. I'll leave my Risevest affiliate link in the description box so you can use my code to sign up. The power of affiliate marketing. Idea number 5, create a blog or YouTube channel. Creating a blog or YouTube channel is another way to establish thought leadership in your specific niche. By creating valuable content on your blog or YouTube channel, you attract more people who will be interested in that kind of content. And after a certain period of time, you start to attract ad revenue. For YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you're eligible for monetization. But there are also other ways that you can make money. You can make money through brand sponsorships and through advert placements. You can also do this on your blog as well. You can place ads in your blog page and you can also activate Google AdSense, whichever works for you. The trick about this one is that you need to put in a considerable amount of effort. So you would need about 1 to 2 years of consistency and useful content before you can establish yourself as a thought leader in that specific niche. Idea number 6, rental income. There are a number of ways you can make rental income in Nigeria. Airbnb and Uber are examples. For Airbnb, you can simply rent out your apartment for people who need to use it. It could be for parties or game night or just people who need a place to stay. For Uber, if you have a vehicle or more, you can rent out these vehicles to make extra income. And there are many drivers who are looking for vehicles to use to run Uber. You can agree on a certain commission that they'll be paying you either weekly or monthly. But not to worry, if you don't have an apartment, a house, or a car, there are many other ways to explore rental income. Party chairs, ladders, wheelbarrows, or even shovels are many things that people use in construction sites. If you live in a residential area where there's still a lot of construction going on, you could rent out these items to people and make income on it daily. You could even invest in a cement mixer if you can afford it. After this, your initial investment, all you need to do is ensure people rent it out and bring it back in good condition. You can also try and be creative and think of many other things that people need in wherever you stay that you could rent out. Item number 7 is stock photography. If you have a camera or a really good phone, you can take high quality pictures and sell them online. There are a number of websites that will purchase them like Pexels, Shutterstock, and other online media houses. I've given you 7 passive income ideas, and I think I should add one little extra one, which is my favorite one. This is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is my personal favorite way of making passive income. There are different types of ways to invest in cryptocurrency. You could be like a day trader, or you could be a hodler. I am a hodler. I certainly buy some certain coins and tokens that I'm interested in, and I just leave them there. I leave them to grow. I woke up $100 richer today because I invested in some certain coins that have made me profit. I know cryptocurrency is still a fairly new technology and not many people know about it, but if you're interested, I have some videos on cryptocurrency and they are very suitable for beginners and very beginner friendly. I'm sure you learn a thing or two, and if you need more videos or more clarifications on cryptocurrency, you can comment below what kind of questions you have so other people can benefit from it. Or you can send me a DM on Instagram if you have a specific question that you need help with. I'll be sure to respond. Made it to the end of the video, and I'm sure you're probably expecting your secret sauce, but hold on, before we get into that, if you've enjoyed this video so far or you've gained a thing or two, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Ensure you turn on your post notifications so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. So what is the secret sauce? The secret to passive income is to have an audience. The larger your audience, the larger your market, and the larger your potential income. The more people you are delivering value to or delivering useful information to, the more they would want to use your affiliate link, the more they want to purchase product from you, and the more they would want to be your customer. There are different ways to build an audience. You can build an audience on social media such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. If you're dealing with a product that requires visual products or visualization, I would suggest you use Instagram because it allows you to post pictures, videos, especially reels. Instagram is promoting a lot of reel videos right now, and you can reach a wider audience by creating reels specific to your niche. Facebook is another social media platform that is often underrated. A lot of us started out on Facebook. You probably have friends since your primary school on Facebook. You have family and you have other kind of relatives on your Facebook, and think of it as an audience that you're not really maximizing. You might think, oh, they're just friends or they're just people that I know, but to me, there are markets waiting to be explored. They don't even have to be your target audience. They can simply provide you referrals for people that might be in need of your product. So anytime someone needs your product, they'll think, oh, I know someone who does that, and they'll refer you to them. Twitter is also another way to build your audience, but it's currently banned in Nigeria right now, but you can circumvent that by downloading a VPN. Another source of audience that is often not maximized is people on your contact list. Think about it. You probably have like 1,000 contacts, right? You can start by posting content on your WhatsApp status or creating a WhatsApp broadcast group that you'll be sending messages to regularly. Establish yourself as a thought leader in that area. And what better way to market something than to people that are already on your contact list? They can easily send you a message and say, hey, I'm interested in your product. Another way to grow your audience is through a website or a blog. If you don't have the means to build a website or a blog, you could easily create a newsletter. There are many platforms that offer free newsletters. All you need to do is start marketing your newsletter and delivering value to people via that newsletter. When people know that there are solid information or solid things that they can get from your newsletter, they would subscribe to it. Some people are very fortunate and they already have a large social media audience. If you don't have a large following already, that's fine. These simple tips can help you develop a large audience. Find a specific niche that you're skilled at or you're interested in developing skill at. When I started out this channel, I wasn't a cryptocurrency expert, but along the line, I've learned more and I'm sharing that knowledge with other beginners like me who will be interested in the topic. So you don't have to be an expert. You just need to be willing to learn more about that topic. Secondly, you need to deliver value. Once you pick your niche, you don't just need to spam people with information about your niche. You need to ensure that the information you are giving people is what people are actually searching for or what people actually need. The tip is to be consistent. If you drop a message today and then you don't drop anything else till like 2 months later, people are not going to take you seriously. If you remain consistent, people will look forward to your content and they'll be more engaged. So using these 3 simple tips, you can become a thought leader in your niche, develop an audience, and start making passive income. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a thing or two. If you like this video or you know someone who might be interested in this type of video, please share this video with them. Until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.